That's fish. That's good fish.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You got him?
Yeah, I got him. But I ain't gaining nothing on him. Ooh, now he's coming at me. Nope, nope. Yeah, he's coming at me. Oh fuck, he's hella coming at me, or he just got off.
I got your line, I think.
There's still fish there though, I believe.
Is there?
Yep.
I'll be enough.
Nope, he's here.
Yeah?
Yep, he's here.
Guess I better just switch over to a jointed, huh?
Maybe.
Got some size there?
He's feeling like it.
I'm on a neutral.
He ain't showing himself yet.
I noticed that. Oh! Beautiful. Step up. Step up. Pull up, pull up. Alright, now back towards me. Oh! Woo! That's a good one, bud.
Yeah!
That's a good one, bud.
That's a good one.
Oh,
That's what we come here for. Yeah! Damn yeah!
Jesus, look at the mouth on that sumbitch. He's spewing jizz, dude. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh wow, that's disgusting.
Alright, I'm putting the jointed one on. We're putting 3 jointed ones on, by the way. Woo! There you go, man. That's a good fish right there, buddy. Good fish. You got that one on camera too.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Hold it up to the camera. I believe it. Look at that. Look at the head.
Look at that, dude. That's my biggest German brown ever.
Alright, I think we're just gonna work this stretch, dude, because that was the opposite point of where you caught the other one.
There he goes.
Beautiful.
Perfect.